Man, y'all, I'm so excited because I cannot wait to see the way you show off and act a fool making this fudge. There's caramel in the center. There's candied almonds on the top. It's goodness, straight up and down goodness. We've got 2 cans of condensed milk and 23 ounces of chocolate chips. We have the butter, the sugar, the sliced almonds. Check out the parchment paper lined pan. That's the best way to go. Do not use foil. So we're going to get this nice and golden. This is how you candy the almonds. You can actually switch them up and use any kind of nut you want. This is so, so beautiful, and try not to eat it. Try not to eat it all, okay? We're gonna lay it out and we're gonna let it cool, and this is gonna allow it to get nice and firm. Melting the chocolate is easy. Keep it at a good medium pace. Don't rush the chocolate. It's a little lumpy right now, but make sure you take your time. You don't wanna burn it. Now you're going to add in the vanilla. Smear out the first layer. This is the entire bag of Kraft caramel cubes melted down with 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. I smeared the center layer of the caramel on, and this is how I got it to go on pretty even, just by allowing it to drizzle slowly and then smearing it with a spoon after. Now you're going to add the candied almonds on top. And then after that, you're going to take a spatula of some sort or a spoon and smash it down a little bit, and then put it in the refrigerator, cover it up, put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. Cut it up into chunks, put it into pretty fancy tins, and just get ready to show off.
Mommy. Thank you, Mommy.
Per usual, it's always flexible with my recipes. You can leave out the caramel chewy center. You can switch up the nuts. And as a matter of fact, you can kind of swirl the caramel into it and mix the nuts in as well if you want, and not have them just on top. Whatever tickles your pickle, do it. If you want to just have it just chocolate, that's fine as well. Just always volunteer to do it so you can show off. Thank you for watching.